Your next car could be the 2023 Honda CR-V. Prepare to fall in love with this sleek, tech-savvy CR-V. Loaded with convenience features to make your life easier, all-weather capability, and premium styling, this small SUV is the perfect complement to your active lifestyle. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, moonroof, adaptive cruise control, heated mirrors, dual zone AC, power driver's seat, alarm, heated front seat, aluminum wheels. Feel confident and calm when you tackle life's daily adventures in this Honda CR-V. Come in and drive it home today.